Hi and welcome in this webinar of live trading session for 1 hour. This is Damien Levy for Binary Living Way. Okay, if you have any question, everyone, please cut your microphone and use the chat room. Okay, cool. We are already 13, so it's quite a good number. We will start now. So for the live trading webinar, I was adapting a little my strategy to provide 1 minute trade. So it will be turbo signal during this hour. And since it is the first webinar that we make using this kind of configuration, and it's also 1 minute trade are not really easy to take. So I would like you to take it on demo for this first webinar. We will make like 2 to 3 webinars in this way using only demo account. And after following our result, if we are consistent with 70% winning rate for most of you, because the goal is not to take my own trade and to let you behind and to show you, okay, I am the best, I make good trade and you don't make profit out of it. The goal is still for you to make a winning trade. If the majority of you are profitable after maybe 2 webinars, 3 webinars, we will go on live and we will apply this kind of trading to live session with real account. The first step about money management that we use for the Millionaire Project and that I will use today is to put every trade 4% of my account. So as you see, I use IQ option and I will trade today only USD CAD, Euro USD, Euro odd, and odd USD. Why not the other pair available like USD GPY or GPY, Euro GPY that has a good payout? Because there is a news actually on Japanese yen and it will affect the market during the next 20 to 30 minutes. So it's a 2 bullhead news, so I prefer avoid those kind of pair until this news is gone, and none of these pairs should be touched by the news, and we should be able to trade in quite correct condition. So I will focus on 4 currency pairs, sorry, and Euro USD we will not trade so much except if it reaches this level, because this is a strong level and it's a strong uptrend. This level is a round number and when it will touch it, it should bounce for 5 minutes, 15 minutes and maybe more than that. Maybe it will continue to go in an uptrend and the price will continue to go up. But on the daily chart, we have a strong resistance near the price here. As you can see, this is the previous ranging zone on the daily chart, and there is a strong resistance here, exactly, that I can put in yellow. So the price might work well on this level and reject from up to down. This is my daily chart, so let's come back to the 15 minutes. And as you see, this line is quite far, but it can be a good way to take a put for 15 minutes, 1 hour, and maybe end of the day also for a put. And the level is at 1.114184. So what we will take for trade if the price managed to come back down during our live trading webinar is this level 1.11, which is a round number and a very powerful round number. So confluent with this previous zone of resistance, which is a little lower, if the price will be attracted by this round number, it should reject correctly. So we will take a 15-minute trade. So from the touch, if for example it would have touched now, we will have take the 5-hour round number expiration. Because the 15 minutes candle is right now, it will end at 4:45 GMT, and the next end of the next 15 candle will be 5 GMT. So this is for the Euro USD. Now this is a longer trade. The other one are in my MetaTrader. And the first thing that I wanted to tell you is to find your 4%. IQ has a good feature here. You type your global amount, 15,989.15, and you will click on the calculator here, and 0.04 means when you multiply by this number, you will have 4% of your account. So my trading size should be, for my first trade, whatever currency pair I take, this amount, 639, and so forth. So if you trade with 2%, you use the same feature, and you multiply by 0.02, and this will represent 2%. You change it here, 0.02 if you want, or 1% it will be 0.01, and so on and so forth. So that's how I update my trading size every trade that I take. And that's what I will do during the session. So let's review a little my chart. So we will focus on Euro odd. So this is 1 minute chart, and I aim to take a call, for example, when it will take this good resistance and support on the 1 minute chart. I put my alert here, so I will be alerted when the price will be near. And my next level, if it touch it, okay, maybe I have it, yeah, here. This is my next alert. So it will ring when the price will reach nearly this level. So I want to take one put at this blue line, would give me quite good probability of winning, and it's a good resistance here, 1 times, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, 6 times after broken once, and 3 rejection and broken once. So 2 break and 8 rejection. So my probability of success are around 80%, so I will take a put at this exact line. And the same appears to this one also. It has been broken 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, but the rejection are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it's also an 80% winning probability in my side if it touches this exact line. So what I do, since the price is near, we will go for this trade. So I go on Euro odd, and I reduce my chart in this part, and I always verify the price on 2 different platforms. One IQ, where I trade, and one other on MetaTrader, so I am sure that the price behave correctly and there is no manipulation of price. So if the price touches this line, I can eventually plot my line here, so I will have the same, yeah, perfectly. So I will put an horizontal line to have more clarity and remove any reflection process when I will take my trade at this exact level. Yeah. So if price managed to touch this line, I will take a call for the end of the next minute. That's how I will use the IQ option platform on this side. So since this is going up and the next level is not very good in probability because it has been broken 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times, so not so much secure, I will wait those extreme and my alert to tell me when the price will be near. So I let the chart and I go to the next. So the next is USD CAD, and actually this was a very good level. So still, I have this level here. It is quite good probability because it reverses 1, 2, 3, 4 times, and after it breaks, and a little upper here, exactly, I have 1 touch more, so it's like 5 time reversion and 1 time break, which is also 80% winning rate. So maybe I will take this one. I will look in the past, identify this line to see what are the past activity at this line. As you can see, it doesn't touch for a long time, and then 1 rejection, 1 break, 1 rejection, 1 break. Okay, Euro odd come back. So now be ready and be fast. The expiration will be 42, and I wait the touch. If it doesn't touch, I don't take the trade. Yeah, so this one seems to be gone. By security, I really prefer to take the real touch of the line. And after, if I see my price is ranging just below, like in this example, and the price stay in this range, when it will break this range, for example, let's say the price create a range here and stay for 10 minutes, for example. If the price after that come back to manage to touch the level again, it might be a break of this range and has so much power that it will break also my level, so I will go to the next. So once again, I want to give you best probability setup. So this one, if it's ranging for now and it managed to come back after only 5 minutes, I will not take this level, I will go for the next. So but what can be good for this level, which is quite a good level, is if it comes back very fast and breaks this level, it will be a good opportunity after it breaks to make a put at this exact line. If the price managed to get to the next blue, and the next blue will be our next level if it breaks this one. Yeah. Okay, so far so good. So let's wait for this one. Let's go to USD CAD. So my yellow line react quite well, but not very good in probability in the past. And here, quite good, but little lower actually. Oh yeah, but still a good probability at this level. Yeah, good line. Good line on USD CAD. So I still maintain my trade, and if the price managed to get there, I will take a put. So I put my alert so I can analyze another chart. You can do this kind of strategy only on one chart and focusing on one, and you wait just your level, because when you analyze the 1 minute chart, you will have a lot of opportunities. Okay. Euro odd is coming back and it breaking, but now it reverses already. Not enough fast. Okay, I will go for the next level. Since there is a range here, I don't want to take the risk. So let's wait for the next level. USD CAD. Okay, so USD CAD is near. The payout is not extraordinary, that's why also I counsel you to go on demo. 1 touch, 2 touch, 3, 4, 5. Oh good. Go up again. Spike up and reverse. Very tricky to take. Expiration will be 446. 4% of your account if you follow the Millionaire Project, for example. So with 2 trades you accomplish 6% profit and you don't have to trade anymore during the day. So applying this simple strategy of support and resistance, counting the bounce and taking only the level where you have a good probability of success, it means when the price bounce more times than it breaks, you can find like 4 to 5 to 6 opportunity in 1 hour, and it can permit you to trade only 1 hour a day and accomplish your daily goal, and after you go for the rest of the day doing other activities that you feel like to do. Okay, so reverse a little, it might take a little more time to reach. A good level seems to be this blue line also. By USD CAD. This level. Does everyone manage to plot the same line maybe on your IQ option so you are ready to take your trade? For example, now I am on USD CAD and my level is above this one. It's also a round number on IQ. Horizontal line at 1 1.3604. Yeah, exactly this number. So if price touch this line, I will go for a put, and I can do the same. It can be here at the top of the congestion, this previous congestion here, but it can break and go to this one. Maybe this one is better. Yes, I will choose this one. Exactly. So 1.36000. It's also a round number. If you take a call at this line and a put at this one for the first touch, it should be a good opportunity. So now let's go to AUD/USD to finish our analysis. So AUD/USD, I drawn a lot of line because there is a lot of good level, but the best is the 23 Fibo here, where I have my alert prepared. So same, if the price managed to come back to this level, I will take a put for 1 minute. And now let's search another level for a call with good probability. And I believe this one is one of the best. Yeah, it's quite far, but okay, USD CAD very fast, didn't manage to touch. Okay, seems it will go up. Expiration will be 50, 450. No, it got down again. The level is strong, it reversed just before. So let's go on AUD/USD. Yeah, previous resistance support. Oh, it's a good level too. Yeah, it will come to us. Okay. I think this level can be good. Yeah. We plot a Fibonacci to know. Yeah, 38 Fibonacci confluence. This one, okay. Euro AUD is near. Yeah, big rejection at this level. Yeah, it was near but didn't touch. So 23 Fibo. This is better. Okay, so maybe my level should be better here. Yeah, good zone. Okay, on USD CAD what you can see is the price is ranging. So same case than previously when it broke the support on Euro odd. Now it's on USD CAD. It means if it goes up now, it might break this level. So better maybe to take a little higher to ensure more security at this level, for example. So the price will have a little distance to move in the downside direction when it will touch it. So be ready USD CAD for a put, 1 minute. Yeah, it touched my previous level, so it will be 54. Not yet on my MT4. Wait a little higher. It's at the first level, but I want it to go a little higher to have more probability, since there is a little range below that will repulse the price up. So now it will be 55, 455 as an expiration. Yeah, price go down a little. And reject. But from now, since there is this congestion here, it should go up on the next candle. But since the range is little, it's not a lot of odds in our favor. I would prefer to have a range way longer than that to take a call at this specific level. For example, 15 candle in the same range, very narrow, creating a very good top of the range resistance, and then you can act with this range as a call for the next candle. Okay, be ready. Expiration 458. We want to see and to enter above the yellow line here. Sell USD CAD. Now. Little delay on my IQ, but it's normal. And the expiration should be 458. Sell USD CAD. Anyone in? Anyone fast enough to the trade? Yeah, I agree. IQ has a problem with that, and you have to be very fast. Should reject a bit. We trade 1 minute to have more opportunity in 1 hour and to be able to get maybe 4 to 5 different trades in 1 hour, which permit to achieve the goal in 1 hour during the day. And since the live webinar have only 1 hour, I want to make you able to trade a little more and eventually to win more money in a short period of time. That is why. And I am testing this strategy on my own since 2 weeks now, and it works pretty well. So it can happen, you know, probability. Sometimes you win, sometimes you lose, but most of the time until now I have from 70 to 90% winning trade depending on the day. Even if you have a little delay, you should win this one. So it's a good hit the money. Well done, Jim. Okay, anyone took it? Sharon, okay, perfect. So 2 of you. Okay, next. So now this level react and reject well for once. The next movement will tell us what we will do with this level. If it broke and make a little significant movement until here, for example, I will take the bounce back here for a call on the next opportunity. But if it rejects correctly going down, I will wait the next level, the blue line here, for USD CAD for a call for 1 minute. I know 5 minutes is easier to take, and it's just I adapted my strategy to the 1 minute chart for now, and it works quite well. So after, if it's too short for us, we can go on 5 minutes. So Euro odd sound, again. Maybe we are late. So euro odd, it will be a put for 1 minute. But the price action shows trend going up. No, don't take this one. Would prefer to see another one. Let me fine tune my level here. Strong level actually. Good one. Yeah, but even though this previous zone is not very encouraging. And this 3, when you see 3 big candle without wick going up like this, those 3, the price action show you it took a decision going in the same direction, and it's very regular without rejection from the upside. So a good signal to take at this level would be if this little doji is broken, the lower of the doji is broken. For example, no, not trend line, just a line like that. If this doji is broken on the downside and this candle 1 minute succeed to close below that, we can take a 5-minute put in that direction. And this would have been our confirmation, because as you see, now it break it. So those 3 candles, it's a clear price action clue that tells you that the power of the price now is going up, and it will be better in this specific case to find an opportunity to take a call and not a put, especially when this level is not very regular on 1 minute, and we have to find something little better. Maybe it will reverse at the top of this little congestion here. But still, it's against the strength of the candle, and the candle tells us go away for a put, just wait for a call, and if you take a put, wait for a confirmation of the candle, which we don't see actually. So I will get out of this setup. Maybe a new level will be this one, 149. So I hear odd USD for a buy. This one is a good one, but we have to wait the price to break the blue line. It can be exactly now or wait a little more to have a clear break of this line for the next minute for a call. Sorry, my platform is not odd USD. Yeah. So expiration will be, I can take it. Well, it seems it worked. Oh no, maybe not. Now maybe it's too late for me. So if you manage to take a call at this blue line, it should be a winning one for 1 minute. So expiration will be 5:03. But what I see, it's a round hour, and every round hour, so 4 GMT, 5 GMT, 6 GMT, etc., it's the beginning of the day of a specific group of trader. So it will bring new volume, and it can create a little danger in your trade, because the amount of traders that will come to the trading session can bring different result and cannot respect the support and resistance because of the additional volume during this round hour. Okay, this one doesn't look very good. Oh, so okay, no one took this one, I think. Yeah, 1 minute is you should be fast, and because it's 1 minute on your own, you can focus on only one currency pair, like for example USD CAD, and you will trade only the USD CAD. USD CAD now can be good for a call when it will touch the yellow line here. Now you can make a call when it will touch this line. Sorry, I have to take this one here. Yeah, it touch it and bounce. It's USD CAD. So here it is. It's a good rejection. Now okay, Euro USD is near to our level for 5 or 15 minutes. It will be a call at this exact level. So on IQ you don't have so much choice, but Euro USD, the much it's 510, and when it will touch this line. Let's go on 5-minute chart. You can take 5-minute call when it will touch this white line, a little below even, to have more precision in your trade. Let me look at the Fibonacci. Yeah, it's safer to wait the line that I draw on my chart to be touched to take a call. Yeah, and it can be 5 minutes, 15 minutes also, but the candle shows us there is trend going down now, but this line should hold. It held previously, round number, so if you make a call for 5 minutes, should be winning at this exact entry point. The exact expiration will be the end of the next 5-minute candle, so now the right expiry should be 5:15, but on IQ you don't have the choice of that if you take a 5-minute trade. If you take 15-minute trade, it is 5:06, so it will be at 5:30 for the right expiration. Yeah, but it seems it's reversed already. Yeah, this is a good sign of rejection here. You see a little doji, very narrow body, weak up and down, and the blue candle break the higher point of the previous doji, and it will close there. So it will mean for 10 minutes we have a good chance that the price will continue to go up. Based on those two candles, which is against this trade for 10 minutes for a call, is there is a lot of candle going down, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 candles in a row going in the downside direction. So it shows us the market is quite strong going down and not so much strong going up, because every time you make an attempt to go up, it's wipe out. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3 candle white candle wipe out the previous 5 candle, and 1 candle is wipe out also, and the price make a significant movement from here to here. It's 34 micropips, so it's quite a movement. And this movement of the price is also very regular, going in the same direction, very narrow, so it accumulates a lot of power. When it's narrow like that, weak up and down, weak up and down, and the volume are correct. It's not very low volume, so it seems there is people who want really this currency now to go down. And as we saw before, there is also a daily resistance here, and this daily resistance is very, very powerful in the past, so it should be powerful for in the present moment also. And it's quite near. If we look at the daily chart, for example, and we zoom out, we see it's very near in the term of daily chart. So the power of this resistance should push the price a little down. Maybe it will touch, maybe it will not touch this line. We don't know, but what we see here is a very big candle blue going up, so the strength of the market is still going up in my opinion, and the price when it comes back has a struggle to come back. So when it will touch this line, most likely it will bounce up for some time, and maybe it will bounce from it and it will never touch this strong level. But if it is the case, I don't take the trade, or I take the trade if I see a strong confirmation on 5-minute candle. A strong break of this doji here, for example, for the next candle, maybe wipe out this high, and now I can go for a call for 15 minutes, maybe more. So let's come back to our 1 minute chart. So as you see on the Euro odd, the level that I taught you just before, I mean the top of this little congestion was my entry point, more secure, and this is exactly where the price bounced down, and it was a winning trade on this level. So the next level will be around here. Yeah, quite good support and resistance, but price break it very recently, so not so much powerful. Yeah, on Euro odd now I will wait. This level is not enough powerful for me, so I will wait this level now. This level should be a quite secure trade for a put. If the price managed to go up all the way to this level, it should be good, because you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 rejection, 1 break, 2 break, 8, 9, 10 rejection, and 2 break. So it's like more than 90% with chance that the price will make a little bounce at this level if it managed to come back. And if we go on the downside, yeah, still my blue line here, the bottom of this ranging zone here. It's a good level. If the price managed to come back at this level, this will be too good setup to take for 1 minute trade. Then let's go to USD CAD once again. This one didn't touch, but very near, and it was a very good, it was a winning trade for a call, but not fast enough to take it. And now we don't know so much what the price will do. The movement seems a little chaotic, so we don't know. Okay, odd USD, but it already reversed on our level, so not really important. Yeah, the next level for odd USD will be this blue line, which is a 61 Fibonacci. And if price managed to go there, I will take a call here. And if I want to take a put, I will still wait this one, this 23.6 Fibonacci. Euro USD seems to touch. I will take the 15 minutes, so 5:30, and now it's 12, so the end of the 15-minute candle is 15, and the end of the next candle will be 30. That's why I take this expression 5:30 for this one, below my level, which should be a very strong level. Here it is. It might go down at this exact level, which is a strong support here that convert to resistance. This is the next level, but this big candle doesn't inspire a lot of trust. Is anyone in this trade for a call on Euro USD? In on USD CAD? Sorry. Okay, I wish you luck, because it didn't touch exactly my level, but the rejection seems to be good, so why not? 47 seconds to go. In Euro USD, Euro USD. Okay, so you have two in the money until now. USD CAD and the first one. Okay. And this one was a nice rejection. Let's go Euro USD. Yeah, it will touch this level. So Jim and Sharon on Euro USD, what was your SR? The white line or little below? Start to reject. But it's yeah, 15 minutes. Little below, okay. Me, I am at the white line. I was more in a hurry than you. So yeah, it's a good example. So let's see. We are in a 15-minute trade. There is 15 minutes to go. And we see the price goes against us. We still have 15 minutes, so it's 3 5-minute candle. So we still have time. Sorry, USD CAD sounded again. It was for a put this time, but it's a second attempt, so I don't take this one. I will take this blue definitely, because this one, why I don't take this trade, even if it's a winning one. You have a first touch like only 5 minutes below. Yeah, 7 minutes below, and now you have a very big candle blue going up. So this level, which is quite a correct level, for me it's not secure to trade it just after 5 candle. If the price managed to come back only after 10 to 20 candle, it's more safe to take this level. And for me, the best level for now is those blue line here, and when the price will manage to go there, I will definitely take a put. It can be 1 minute, it can be 5 minutes, because as you can see there is a lot of touch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, all rejected, and there is a lot of rejection just a little upper of this zone. So this is a very strong zone. There is like 101 minute candle, so it's like 1 hour and a half. The price stayed on the very narrow place. So the memory of the trader is printed with those level, and you should find stop loss at this level. So if the price managed to go here, it will reject targeting the stop loss of the forex trader, and you will have the rejection of 1 minute, certainly 5 minutes, and maybe if we go on 15 minutes, let's look at the chart. Well, 15 minutes it's a too little zone, but 5 minutes definitely it should work. Yeah, 5 minutes it's a safe trade at this level, blue line. And 1 minute also, because it reacts exactly at this level for 1 minute. So if you are more confident with 5 minutes, you go with 5, but 1 minute can be good too at this level. So here is it, and as you can see, this level broke it. There was a rejection, but if you took the trade exactly at this level, you lose this one because of the retest and of this big blue candle just before here. So for now, for this currency pair, there will be only one put interesting for us, is those two blue line above. Now we are at an extreme point, but there is a congestion just below, so this congestion will push the price a little lower, I think, and not really clear line. Let me try to plot a line here, but I don't think it's one of the best. No, it's a correct one. You have one rejection here, one break, so 3 rejection, 4 rejection, 2 break, 3 break, so 4 3, 4 4, 5 4, 6 4, 7 4, 8 4, 9 4, 9 rejection, 4 break, 10 rejection, 4 break. So it's like around 70% of winning trades. So we can take a call at this yellow line actually when it will touch it. It's a quite good ratio, and those are nearly the same. So if you take this one for a call, for me it's a 70% winning when it will touch this yellow line. So let's continue on Euro USD. So Euro USD come back to our level, and we have now 10 minutes to go. So the 5-minute trade end in 6 seconds, and it should be a winning one. So the 5-minute trade is and in the money. Anyone took 5 minutes or you took all 15? Okay, good. 15 minutes, okay. So now this candle is quite encouraging because the price continues to go up, but there is a little resistance here. So if we see a break of this level, it's very, very encouraging. I mean, for example, if the price managed to break this level, which will transform to a resistance, we can be quite sure that our trade will win. But if it rejects like what it did now, it's not a good sign for us, because it seems that the power is still going down. So we have to be careful with that, and we have two possibilities. The first is to fence my trade, so I take a call, but I can see a big rejection. I will still wait a little more the end of the 5-minute candle to see, but if the price breaks down now, it's not a very good sign for me. So the option that I have is to take a put, and for example like exactly now, and I go on the 1-minute chart. It's just for the matter of the example to see it more clearly. So this is my 1-minute chart. Maybe I will go to the 30-second. No, not minute, second. So for the sake of the explanation, yeah, this is the fence strategy. A fence strategy means you will take a call and a put with the same expiration, and doing so you will minimize your risk. So you make a call here, for example, if it is the bottom and your SR, and you will make a put here. And doing so, if the price finish in this area at your expiration time, so which is here, you will win the first trade and you will win the second trade. If the price finish outside of the zone, so above or below, you will lose one trade. So you will lose one trade and you will win one trade, but doing so you will minimize and you will lose only 20% depending on the payout. In this case it will be 30% of one trade. So you double the amount of your trade in the opposite direction and creating a little range between the two trades. And doing so, if the price finish in the middle, you will win two trades. If the price finish outside the boundaries, you will lose only one trade. It is a way to protect your loss. For example, since my entry point is a little high, because I know the price managed to reach the previous the next support level, so my exact entry would have been a little lower, like here. It would have been a best entry, and in this case not necessary a necessity to fence. But since I see my entry point is not the best compared to what I see on my chart in the price action, I can make a put when I see the price is above my size, if I see the price also a sign of rejection on the downside. Because if I make a put and I don't see a rejection from the up to down, maybe I will win the first, and doing this fence on a very too much narrow range will just don't permit me to win correctly one trade and will make me lose. But the good side of that is when you fence on your trade, if you have the opportunity, because not all the time you have the opportunity to do so, you will, if you lose, for example, because you will lose only 30% of one trade, it means you can lose 3 trades and the next trade will recover all your 3 loss, and even more, because fencing all the time you will win 140% of one trade, so 70 of both trade, which means if you lose 30% when you lose, to reach for 140% you will need 4 trades. So you can lose 4 trades and one trade using the fence strategy will recover your loss, which if it's done correctly can really bring you more money. Even if you lose more trade, you will lose much less, and doing so on the long run you can make profit. But on my signal, for example, for 15 minutes, you have sufficient time to fence your trade and to get out with a minimal loss. It means even if you win only one trade and you lose one other trade, you will still be in profit because you will lose only 30% of one trade. And when you will win 70%. So knowing that limiting your loss is also a very important part that can permit you to be profitable on the long run, this is a strategy that you should apply. So for those who have taken this Euro USD trade, have you fenced now or not? Or do you let your trade go until the expiration? I have good signs that the price should continue to go up. I have this big candle, but it's 30-second chart. So this big candle is a good sign that the price will continue to go up. And then the next movement doesn't manage to break the previous low here. And we have a big candle rejecting the price above. And now the price is still doesn't manage to break the previous low. So it's a good sign. And if we see a big candle 1 minute or 30 seconds that will break this level here or break this level going down, it will mean maybe the price will reverse going down. But if the price break up again, it's a good sign that the price will continue to go up. Another very interesting thing that you can do with IQ. So we are on Euro USD, and most of the time Euro USD have the two type of expiration. So now we took a 15-minute trade using the binary process, and now we have access to the turbo because on the binary expiration we can't enter anymore, right? It's not accessible. So you go on the turbo here, expiration, and you select the 30, doing so. So you keep an eye on your window here, and you keep an eye seeing if your trade is a winning or a losing one. And if it's a losing one, you can enter until the last 30 seconds of your expiry. And you can even fence your trade until the last 30 seconds of your expiry. And this is an additional good tool that you can apply with IQ option, because not all the broker can permit you to do so. So the platform is very good to doing this strategy and to place your trade until the last 30 seconds. So now we have still 2 minutes, but this candle is not a good sign for us. Let me show you on 1 minute chart, it will be easier. Yeah, so you have a big doji here rejecting down, which shows up that the price has really difficulty to go above this level. Then good blue candle, good sign. But now the price is breaking here, this low, and this is not a good sign. Because when if the price managed to close below, when it will come back to here, we have now a new resistance point that might reject the price on the downside. So this little blue candle of 1 minute might be hurt by this new wall here. It's a little congestion that's creating a support and resistance, and it might continue to go down just because of that. But if it breaks, it's a good sign because it will have also difficulty to come back as low as that. So depending on your entry point, we will be fixed quite soon. So 1 minute to go. My first trade is a losing one because of my entry, and my second trade is a winning one. So the fence worked perfectly, and I saved at least minimum. I saved 30%, 70% of one trade, and I didn't lose the others. This fencing strategy is a good thing to do, and I really encourage you to do, especially when you do 15 minutes, because minimizing your loss when you see the market goes against you, you can really improve your benefits. Yeah, it will stay this way, because now you see a big candle going down, and the candle, when they want to go up again, they are very narrow, very little, with wicks. It means that the price try, but it's rejected, try, rejected. And now we have a hammer, so hammer, indecision pattern, and might reject going down and break it again. Yeah, fence, Jim. Sharon, even if you're not on an IQ, if you select the right expiration, you can fence also. It means you could have saved this this trade, which will be now a losing one. 14 seconds to go for the first entry. The second entry is good, but the first entry, oh, lucky us. Oh, I won both trade. Cool. Cool. Jim, what is your result? Oh yeah, I am. Totally. I win both trade. Yeah. Okay. One iteme, one oteme. Yeah, so... Okay. So this one was very tricky, really. Totally unpredictable. But at least it was a good example to show you how to fence correctly and how to analyze the market. When you enter in the 15-minute trade like this one, you know what should do the price. But after, when you go on 1 minute, you can fine-tune it and you can manage your trade better and achieving more good results. So let me see if there is another opportunity near on our other chart. But Jim, if you lose one, you win one, you're still in profit. If you take the two first trade, it should be still in profit for you. Right? No. Yeah, cool, perfect. Well done, Jim. 2 iteme for Charan, well done. And this setup was good for 15 minutes. And maybe even 5. Yeah, 5 too. So the 15-minute trade was a winning one, and the 5-minute trade on Euro USD. The 5-minute entry, yeah, was a winning one, and the 15-minute entry was a tight winning one also. So that's it. Yeah, because the entry is here. Yeah, that's it. So let's come back to those charts. So USD CAD, yeah, still ranging, so might break anytime. Market is slow, but it's what time is it GMT? 5:30 GMT. Yeah, in 30 minutes, this is the opening of the German market. It should move way much. So this is still far. This is far, I believe. Okay, break of this level. This can create a good opportunity for us. I will not take call at this, but as you see, the real touch of my level was a winning one also here. So it could have been a third in the money for you. So now that this level is broken, if you don't see any big sign of rejection from down going up, we can assume that the price will make a bounce back and continue to go down when it will retouch this level. And it can be a next good setup. Because as I said, in terms of probability, you have one touch, two touch, this is nearly a touch, so three bounce, one break with difficulty, and in this time you have one bounce, two bounce, three bounce, and so on. So it should be around 70% probability of win. And when you see a breakout like that, if the price managed to come here, you will have a good opportunity to take a put. I will not be very confident to take a call here, because this candle is very big. And let me check the news, because there is kind of quite a good movement now, but it rejects well actually. Still, I don't see it. What time is it? 1:30. No, there is no news. Singapore is off, and we have no news until 2 hours more. But there is German Open and London Open, which has the same effect in the market than a news event. So, we are good for today. So Sharon, 2 in the money, and Jim, what is your result? 2 in the money, 1 out of the money. Yeah, if you need any information about how I plot my support and resistance, and you know already that I give webinar where I teach totally, and my complete course really helped already a lot of people, and I am really proud of my students, because when I see their results, really I am really proud of them. So anytime you feel like to attend the teaching total course, it's on Binary Living Way, or the information. It's 5 hours of teaching, and if you want to learn Forex also, it will be 2 additional hours to adapt my strategy to Forex, and you can do anytime. I can adapt my schedule to you. And back to work 2-0. Yeah, good job, Sean. 3-0, Sharon. Good job. Jim 3-1. Perfect. Thank you, thank you. You're welcome. My pleasure. Kai. Back to work 2-0. You don't trade harmonic? No, I don't trade harmonic. I trade only my strategy, support, resistance, Fibonacci, and so on. Where are the webinar session? The webinar session you attended already, the 2 hours, but the 2 hours is a short term, and I don't do it anymore because people have difficulty to get all in 2 hours. It's better to take 5 hours to go a little more slowly, but step by step. And I teach every step of the strategy, every skill that you have to work on, and people really understand better in 5 hours than in 2 hours. So, and after you have also the habit with the trading journal and the routine of professional trader and all that. So it's a lot of information, and in 2 hours I really realized it was too low, and most of the time people need to come back again to have more information and so on. So 5 hours it's better. You have all the information on Facebook. I can send you the link if you want. Okay, good. Happy to see your results. Any question, you ask me on Telegram or on Facebook. I will be available for you. Have a good day, everyone. Bye.